I'm here in the Zimmerman booth, 9336, talking with Matthias Tukuk about their products. Tell me, what are we looking at here in your booth?
We're presenting this time, this year, a new concept of Zimmerman. We have now finally a standard machine that we never had. It is one size, basically 3 times 2.5 meter. That's what it is. It goes away from what we usually do. We usually custom made machines. The customer tells us what he wants, we make it. According to his material, according to his size, according to whatever he wants. A year later, we deliver it. This is a new approach. It's one size, it's easy to install. You put it down, don't need a foundation, and there you go. Something new, something we try for the North American market starting in 2014.
So what are some of the other types of machines that you've made for your customers in the past?
The other machines basically are longer, wider, higher. This is even as big, if you look at it, it's our smallest machine we ever made. So if you have a relation to big and small, this is the smallest, and we just installed a machine. It's 85 feet long, basically 28 meters. And we put 2 portals on them. Here we have one. We put different milling heads on it. Whatever the material is, whatever the shape is, we just make it. A year later, you have it. And then we go from the US side, us in Novi. We set it up, service it, help you with the applications, and whatever else the customer likes to do. Like every year, it's new in the aircraft industries, you have to certify machines. So every year we have to certify the machine saying it's good to do what it is meant to do.
So what are some of those industries? Aerospace, you said?
Yeah, our markets are aerospace predominantly, but also automotive. We are also in the mold business. And basically, we could build a machine for everybody's need, except smaller than this. We can't. We have never done it. It's not our market.
Okay, so tell me what this machine is doing here. What kinds of parts do you have in here right now?
Right now, we have here, when you look at this one, it's a structural part. It looks a little bit funny with all the shapes and with all the pockets. But structural parts means it has to hold a helicopter or a commercial airliner, and you have to take weight out. And a lot of things we do is just dull, I call it dull, take the weight out, and then the final cuts makes the accuracy. We also made a soccer ball. Everybody knows in Brazil we had the World Cup, and at the end of the day, Germany scored one more goal than the others, therefore they won. But we also have here to the left and also to the right some examples that we can do small parts and that we also can polish a part with a big machine, which normally you don't do, but if you have to do it, we also can do that.
And you work on all kinds of materials, is that correct?
Yeah. We go basically from wood to clay to aluminum up to the exotics with its inconels and titaniums. And it's all a matter of how you equip this machine with what spindle. So we can always change the spindle to the application.
All right, well, thank you so much for talking with us. And if you need some larger parts made and want to take a look at Zimmerman's solution, be sure to stop by their booth in the South Hall.